Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the defrost thermostat in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the freezer shelves. The top shelves can be removed by moving each support to the center of the mounting hole, then slide the shelf to one side to detach. Slide out the lower bin as well. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the rear access panel. You can use a putty knife to help lift up the panel to detach it from the mounting tabs. Pull the panel forward to fully remove. Detach the defrost thermostat from the evaporator tubing. Pull the tab on the bottom of the harness connector to disconnect. Disconnect the heater wire connectors. Detach the evaporator motor wires and the grounding wire. Detach the grounding wire from the evaporator housing as well. Install the new defrost thermostat by first connecting the harness connector. Attach the grounding wire to the evaporator housing. Attach the evaporator motor wires along with the grounding wire. Connect the heater wire connectors. Clip the new thermostat onto the evaporator tubing. Reinstall the access panel by positioning the top edge behind the air duct. Align the slots over the mounting tabs. Make sure the bottom lip of the panel is above the drain pan. Then thread and tighten the screws. Replace the lower bin and shelving. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.